Why block inappropriate websites for kids?
Protecting children online is crucial in today's digital world. Inappropriate websites can expose kids to harmful content, cyberbullying, or online predators. Blocking these sites helps create a safer online environment, giving parents peace of mind and teaching children healthy internet habits.
How can parental control software help?
Parental control software is one of the most effective tools for filtering content. Many programs, like Custodio or Norton Family, let you block specific websites, set time limits, and monitor web activity. These tools work across devices, making it easier to customize protection based on your child's age and needs.
Are browser extensions effective?
Browser extensions like BlockSite or Stay Focused can restrict access to selected websites. These extensions are easy to install on popular browsers like Chrome and Firefox. While convenient, they mainly protect the devices they're installed on, so they're best combined with other measures for full coverage.
Can router settings help block sites?
Adjusting your home Wi-Fi router settings can block unwanted websites for every device on the network. Many modern routers allow parental controls and site blocking directly through their management interface. This method is valuable for families because it applies protections to all devices connected to your home internet.
Should you use Safe Search in child accounts?
Enabling Safe Search on search engines and setting up kid-friendly user accounts increase safety. Safe Search filters explicit content from search results. Creating child profiles on devices and platforms like Windows, Mac, or YouTube also limits access to age-appropriate content, offering additional layers of protection.
Any tips for ongoing protection?
Technology can help, but it's also important to talk with your kids about internet safety. Encourage open communication, check privacy settings regularly, and update parental controls as needed. Ongoing discussions and involvement in your child's digital life are essential parts of staying safe online.